Hey, I'm Richard, and here we have Deep Sea Sharks Lighted from Western Chief Kids. Let's check them out. These guys have that really durable upper with that cool looking shark print throughout. Check that out. Super awesome. You got sharks all over these guys to keep you protected from those outside rainy environments. You got those dual pull tabs here on top for an easy on and off. It's lined with a really soft, breathable interior here with tons of cushioning in that footbed and an awesome outsole that lights up with every single heel strike. Have some fun out there in the rain with these amazing boots from Western Chief Kids.